Did you know that the iconic luxury car brand BMW didn't start with cars at all? In fact, the company's origins trace back to the skies, manufacturing aircraft engines during World War I. A surprising beginning for a brand now synonymous with sleek design and top-tier performance on the road. Bayerische Motorenwerke, or as we know it, BMW, was founded over a century ago in the year 1916. This German company, initially named Bayerische Flugzeugwerke AG, was an aircraft manufacturing firm. However, the Treaty of Versailles, which ended World War I, imposed restrictions on the production of aircraft in Germany, prompting the company to pivot its focus. In the early 20s, BMW took its first steps towards the automobile industry. They began by building motorcycle engines, and by 1923 the company had produced its first motorcycle, the R32. This marked BMW's entry into the world of motorized vehicles, a segment they would eventually come to dominate. The following decade saw BMW shift its attention to automobiles. The company's first car, the BMW 315, was unveiled in 1928. This switch to automobiles happened at a pivotal time in history, as the world was on the brink of the Great Depression. Despite the challenging economic climate, BMW managed to make a name for itself in the automobile industry. Fast forward to the 50s, BMW found itself on the verge of bankruptcy. However, a shining beacon of hope emerged in the form of the BMW 700. This compact rear-engined car was a hit, pulling the company back from the brink and setting the stage for BMW's future success. The 70s marked a significant period of growth and innovation for BMW. The decade saw the launch of the BMW 3 Series, a line of compact executive cars that quickly became a staple in the luxury car market. This was followed by the unveiling of the BMW 7 Series in 1977, a line of full-size luxury sedans that continue to set the standard for comfort and performance. In the new millennium, BMW has continued to push the boundaries of automotive innovation. The company has made significant strides in electric vehicle technology, launching the BMW i3 and i8, and more recently, the fully electric i3. Today, BMW stands as one of the leading luxury car manufacturers in the world. From its humble beginnings as an aircraft engine manufacturer to a dominant force in the automobile industry, BMW's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. BMW's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From manufacturing aircraft engines to producing some of the world's most sought-after vehicles, BMW has proven time and time again that it's not just a car company, it's a symbol of engineering prowess and luxurious design. In the world of automobiles, BMW has etched its name in gold. It's a brand that has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, introducing us to new technology and design that not only sets the trend but also defines it. And as we look to the future, one thing is clear: BMW isn't just along for the ride, it's driving it.